On a Peugeot 207 petrol 1.6, the engine started running unevenly. The computer shows an error. We are using a cheap OBD to detect what the error is. The program on the phone is Torque Lite, a free app for Android phones that helps with basic issues. It shows us error code P1340, and according to information found online, this is most likely a faulty coil on cylinder 4. We will remove all the coils and spark plugs to check them, and then replace the coil. When removing the cover, care should be taken not to break these plastic clips. To check which cylinder is not working, proceed as follows. While the engine is running, disconnect one coil connector at a time. With good coils, a clear change in engine operation will be heard when the connector is removed. With a faulty coil, the engine will run the same, whether the connector is attached or disconnected. Now, we remove the connectors and take out the ignition coils by pulling them upwards. To remove the spark plugs on this engine, we improvised with a slightly longer tool. The first spark plug on the left side is the only one with a different color compared to the other three. This confirms that the fault is on cylinder 4. On this model, when standing in front of the engine, the cylinders are arranged from left to right as follows: 4, 3, 2, 1. The new coil is here. We install it carefully. Reconnect the connector and then check how the engine runs. The engine now runs smoothly, and the error no longer appears. We successfully resolved error P1340. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.